Yeah, good morning, everyone. Yeah, today we are going to see that how we can connect our Tableau desktop to Snowflake and how we can get the Snowflake table into the Tableau desktop visualization. Okay, let's go for connect to the Tableau desktop to the Snowflake database. So Snowflake is a database, cloud database server. We can go for find it to the server list. So here I have my Snowflake link. Just click on it. Okay, so here you can find that Snowflake server name. So first time you are clicking on it while you are going to be Snowflake, the first time you are connecting to the Snowflake database, when you go for click on Snowflake, it will ask you that ODBC drivers to get installed. So how do you get download that ODBC drivers and install the Snowflake? Okay, directly you can click on it. It will go for Tableau site and it will give the drivers. Otherwise, it will suggest you that go for Snowflake account and download the ODBC drivers. So I already did that. That's why I can go for directly this window. Okay, server related information window. You want to go for uh, see that, just go for a browser Snowflake account. Okay, in the Snowflake account, you have the help option. Okay, this is my Snowflake account, and in the help you can find the downloads. Go with the downloads. Okay, and here you can find that Snowflake ODBC drivers. So different types of downloadable options are there, which is CLS, client, SnoSQL, JDBC drivers if you want to connect to the JDBC driver related sources, and ODBC drivers, Python components you can download it, Node.js drivers and Spark connectors and Go Snowflake drivers, Snow CD. These are all kind of support files you can download it from here. For me now, I required that ODBC drivers to connect to the Tableau desktop. Go for this option and click on Snowflake repository, Linux, Windows for Mac. So my operating system is Windows. I can click on it and I can get download that uh, support ODBC drivers, Windows 64, the latest one. I can click on it. So you can go for download this and install in your machine. Okay. So once you get installed that, automatically you can go for click on Tableau desktop connector page. Okay, so if you click on Snowflake directly, you can go for get this pop-up window where you need to provide that server name. So you need to provide here Snowflake server name. What is the Snowflake server name? Actually, you need to find it. So if you go with your Snowflake account, okay, if you go with your Snowflake account, you can find the server name here. See this? Here we have that after the http://. So this is the server name. This is the server name of your Snowflake account. Okay, before .snowflakecomputing.com. Okay, try to copy this and paste in the here. See this? This is my server name .snowflakecomputing.com. And what role you want to give it? We have the different types of roles in the Snowflake. So better to use that sysadmin to share your data. Okay, and authentication. What kind of authentication you want to go for it? Here we have the sign in using the auth and username and passwords, and also username and password. So I want to go for use the username and password authentication. I'm providing my username and password here. Password, it will show the optional, but you need to provide the password as well. So I'm giving my password also. Okay, now just click on sign in. It connecting to the Snowflake account. See that we are connected to the Snowflake account. So now I can see that what are the warehouses are there and what are the databases are there in my Snowflake account. Go for here. You can see that compute warehouse PC data dot word wh warehouse sfqs dot warehouse. These are the warehouses are I have been created from this list. Compute dot wh is the default warehouse from the Snowflake. Okay, default warehouse from the Snowflake virtual warehouse. Okay, and here we have the different databases. So you can see that what are the database you want to connect it. You can go for select the database. I want to connect to BHU. Okay, select it. Under that particular database, what are the schemas are there also you can find it. I have one schema BK, select it, and here you can see that what are the tables are there. what are the tables are there. So I have the EMP and DAPT tables here. Just drag and drop it. Simply you need to drag and drop it and drag the DAPT as well. Okay, DAPT as well. Say this. So here one more point I want to cover here. In the Tableau desktop latest version, we have the relationships. It's logical tables and physical table. One of the concept is introduced. So in the next session, we can go for cover entire with what's the difference between relationships and joints, and what is the logical joint and physical joints. Okay. So we can cover in the next session, nothing to worry. So this we can join the tables and we can go for see that how we can bring into the visualization. Just click on sheet. So what kind of visualization you want to build it, you can directly go for implement them. Employee name and salary related to the each employee. So we can build a visualization simply using the snowflake data. Okay. So how we can connect to the snowflake, you got it? So very simple. Go with a snowflake account and download that what are the ODBC drivers is required and get installed, and directly we can connect to the snowflake and bring the data into the visualization. Okay, this is the way we can connect it. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and you can get more new videos related to snowflake and tableau. Okay, thank you all. See you in the next session.